So today I'm going to make a squash cake. So here I have a cup of butter, and you will need 2 cups of white sugar, and I have 2 cups of grated squash here. You could either blend it or process it. It's better if you process it because you want a little liquid for this, not too much and not too dry, otherwise your cake will be too dry. You want a little moisture. Again, here I have 2 cups of flour sifted already, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You will need 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk. Now in here I have 3 teaspoons of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of spice, and I have 1 teaspoon of ginger. And you will also need 2 teaspoons of essence. So to my batter I'm going to add my sugar, and I'm just going to combine this together and mix it. So here I have my cream butter and sugar, and I'm just going to add my 2 eggs, and I'm going to beat it. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of essence. Add in my spice, my ginger, spice, and my nutmeg. I'm going to mix, and now I'm going to add my cup of milk. So now I'm adding my flour, and I'm not adding all the flour together, I'm just adding part by part. So I have mixed all my flour, and it will get a little thick, but that's okay because now I'm going to add my squash, and the squash have a little liquid in it, so I'm going to mix it together. So I placed my cake in my baking pan. I buttered and I added some greaseproof paper to my pan, and I'm going to place it to bake for 20 to 30 minutes, and I will show you my final product. So this is my final product, and it took 30 minutes to bake, and I'm just going to show you a cut one how nice it looks inside, the pieces of squash, and it tastes very delicious, nice and spicy. And I hope you guys do try this simple and fast recipe of squash cake, and do enjoy my video, and please leave a comment and like and share. If you want me to show you any new kind of cake recipe or any kind of different meal, you can leave a comment and I will try it and show you how easy it is to make.